Yes, students, welcome to the video lecture of linear regression. So, linear regression in machine learning. The linear regression is the one of the easiest and most popular machine learning algorithms. It is a statistical method that is used for predictive analysis. Linear regression makes predictions for continuous, real, or numeric variables such as sales, salary, age, product price. The linear regression shows a linear relationship between a dependent y. Generally, the dependent variable is represented as y, and one or more independent x, one or more independent x variables. Since linear regression shows the linear relationship, which means it finds how the value of the dependent variable is changing according to the value of the independent variable. Okay, it finds how the value of the dependent variable is changing according to the value of the independent variable. The linear regression model provides a sloped straight line representing the relationship between the variables. So in this diagram, the independent variables are plotted in x-axis, dependent variable is plotted in y-axis. Independent variable, depending on the problem, it may be generally for a simple linear regression, it is only one variable. Sometimes we will have a multiple variable. So x is an independent variable or independent variables, y is a dependent variable. Okay, so yeah, this is the data point. Okay, so based on the value of x and y, these points are plotted. So these are the blue dots are the data points in the graph. It is based on the x and y value, and the straight line is known as a linear regression line. Okay, which represents the relationship between the variables. That means relationship between the independent and the dependent variable. Next, we are going to discuss about the formula. Okay, we're going to discuss about the formula. Mathematically, we can represent a linear regression as y equal to a plus bx. So here, y is a dependent variable. It is also known as a target variable or response variable. X is the independent variable. So that is known as a predictor variable. And we are having two a and b are the two variables. So you can say that a is the intercept of the line. Okay, a point of y-axis where the slope line passes. Okay, where the point of the y-axis where the slope line intercept or passes. So that is known as a. B is a linear regression coefficient. Okay, that shows that it's a slope of the line. Okay, it is a slope of the line. So A is the intercepting point of the line, and B is the slope of the line. So it is a regression coefficient. So what is a regression coefficient? So the coefficient are the value that multiply the predictor values. Okay, suppose you have a regression equation. Okay, generally the coefficient values, that means the slope of the line, which is in the multiplication relationship with the x value. Okay, x is the independent variables. So coefficients are the values that multiply the predictor variables. Okay, that is independent variable. Suppose you are having a following regression equation: y equal to 3x plus 5. In this equation, plus 3 is the coefficient. So coefficient indicates the direction of the relationship between a predictor variable and the response variable. So the direction of the relationship between the predictor variable and the response variable. A positive sign indicates that a predictor variable increases, the response variable also increases. Okay, the predictor variable, okay, that means the independent variable increases, and parallelly the response variable, okay, the dependent variable y also increases. A negative sign indicates that the predictor variable increases. That means the independent variable, okay, x dot increases, the response variable decreases. Okay, the dependent variable y decreases. Okay, it will give a slope like the first one give a positive slope, the second one give the negative slope. Okay, we'll see in the diagram. Okay, positive linear relationship if the dependent variable increases on the y-axis, if the dependent variable increases on the y-axis, and the independent variable increases on the x-axis. Okay, the slope, okay, the slope is going like this. It is a positive line of the regression. Okay, the slope is okay. It is going in the okay. It is going the okay. Starting from the x and y smaller value equally. Okay, every line got plotted. Okay, we'll get a slope. That slope is known as a positive line of the regression. Suppose we will have a negative line of the line of the relationship. If the dependent variable decreases, that means y decreases. Okay, the dependent variable decreases on the y-axis. The dependent variable decreases on the y-axis, and the independent variable increases on the x-axis. The independent variable increases on the x-axis. Such a relationship is called a negative linear relationship. This is negative linear relationship. Okay, what it is showing that okay, the value of the y got decreased. Okay, x is increasing. Okay, then y got decreasing. So we'll give a negative slope. The slope is a negative slope. For example, y equal to 5 means, for example, y equal to 5 and x equal to 0, we'll get a point here. Then we are having x equal to 1, y equal to 3, we'll get it here. Okay, likewise, the y is getting decreased. Okay, but x is getting increased. Then we will get a negative slope. So here, x increases and y also increases. For example, if x is 0 and y is 3, we'll get a first point. For example, x equal to 1 and y equal to, we'll have a 2. Okay, we'll get a second point. So likewise, so x also increases and y also increases. We'll have a positive line of regression. And if x increases, y decreases, this is negative line of regression. The coefficient, okay, the variable b, which is a coefficient, okay, which represents the slope of the line. Okay, this value is a significant factor. And now we are going to discuss about the how to calculate the a and b. So we are having x and y are given. So we have to calculate the value of the a and b. A is the intercept. Okay, that means a point in the y-axis where the slope line passes, and b is the regression coefficient. That means slope of the line. So these two on a and b we have to calculate from the given the independent and dependent variables. Okay, how to calculate this? Okay, so for example here x and y. X is a set of independent variable. Okay, x will have a independent variable, y is a dependent variable. Okay, we will have a set of independent variable. Okay, then set of dependent variable. Okay, we'll have a variable like this. For example, we'll have a set of independent variable, and as well as we will have a set of dependent variable. So this is xy. We can say xi, y, x1, y1, x2, y2. Likewise, we can say that. Okay, so how to calculate the intercept? So to calculate the intercept, that means a. So summation of y, okay, that means the total values of the, okay, addition of the all the values which is the y-axis. For example, summation means, okay, addition of all the y values. Okay, and summation of x square, we have to calculate the x square for the each value and add it. Okay, summation of x square minus summation of x. So what is summation of x? Total value of the x. Okay, this is known as 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Okay, and this is 20. Okay, summation of x and summation of x and y. So we have to multiply x and y for each value x and y, and 2 plus 3 is 6. 6 will be added with 7 plus 4 equal 28. So likewise, we have to multiply x and y value and get a value, and we have to multiply x and y. We have to perform the multiplication of all the x and y value, and we have to add. That is known as a summation of x and y divided by n. N means the total number of values. So how many set of values are available here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 set of values are available. That is represented in the n. Okay, into the summation of x square. We have to calculate the x square for each value and perform a summation, and minus summation of x whole square. That means that we have to add all the value. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. So summation of x equal to 20. So here summation of x whole square equal to 20 square. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate the a and b. Once we are calculating the value of a and b, and we have to fit it in the given line. Okay, y equal to ax plus b, y equal to a plus bx. We have to fit it here, and we have to create the equation like this. Okay, this is our objective. So now our example, I have a set of x and y values. Okay, our question is find the linear regression equation for the following two sets of data. So x is always the independent variable, y is always the dependent variable. So x equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, y equal to 3, 7, 5, 10. So what we have to do, first we have to create a table like this. So x values, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, x, and we have to store the values of 3, 7, 5, 10, 3, 7, 5, and 10. And you have to find the x square value. 2 square 4, 4 square 16, and 6 square 36, and 8 square 64. Okay, then we have to get the value of x and y. X multiplication of y, 3 into 2 equal to 6, 7 into 4 equal to 28, 6 into 5 equal to 30, 10 into 8 equal to 80. So you have to find the x and y value like this. Then you have to find all the summation values, summation of x. So for 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8 equal to 20. Likewise, summation of y equal to 25. The summation of, okay, the addition of all the values of x square equal to 120, summation of x square, xy equal to 144. Now you have to fit it in the formula. So to calculate the value of variable a and y. So what is a and y? A is intercept, b is the slope. We are having a formula already. Okay, so we have to fit to find the value of b, we have to put the formula n. Total number of data set equal to n. Summation of xy. So what is the summation of xy? Is 144. Summation of xy equal to 144 minus summation of x. Summation, what is summation of x? 20. So 20, okay, is given here. And summation of y into summation of y. So what is summation of y? Summation of y equal to 25. So summation of y equal to 25. So which are all okay. Here actually the equal values are stored, okay, based on the formula. And n equal to 4, summation of x square. So what is the x square? Summation of x square 120. 4 into 120 minus summation of x whole square. What is summation of x? Summation of x equal to 20. 20 square equal to 400. Okay. So by calculating these values, we are having a value, the b value equal to 0.93. So b represent the slope. Next, we have to calculate the a value. The formula for calculating a, okay, is a is a intercept. Okay, intercept. Sorry, a is a intercept. Okay, intercept value we have to calculate summation of y. So what is summation of y? Summation of y equal to 25. So substitute it. Summation of x square. Summation of x square equal to x square equal to 120. You will substitute here minus. We are having a value summation of x equal to 20, okay, into summation of xy equal to 144 divided by n equal to 4, total number of data set, and into summation of x square, summation of x square equal to 120 minus summation of x whole square, summation of x whole square equal to 20 square, okay, summation of x equal to 20, x whole square equal to, okay, 400. So we are having a value. So by solving this, we are having a value 1.5. So the linear regression is given by y equal to a plus bx. So what is the question? Find the linear regression equation for the following data set. So we have to write the equation. So y equal to a plus bx, a value is 1.5, y equal to 1.5 plus 0.9x, okay, plus b value is 0.95x. So this is the way we have to find the regression equation. So what it says, regressive line can be defined as y equal to ax plus b. What is y equal to ax plus b? Okay, this is the line. Okay, this line is the ax plus b. So this is the formula of this line. Okay. So we have to analyze the result. What the result says, regression line can be defined as y equal to a plus, sorry, not ax plus b, y equal to a plus bx, where y equal to 1.5 plus 0.9 into x. X is here is independent variable, y is a dependent variable which changes the value in the value of x by certain value. Okay, the x is an independent variable, y is a dependent variable. The dependent variable changes with the change in the value of the x. Okay, different variable changes based on the value of the x. 1.5 is the intercept, which can be defined as a value which remain constant irrespective of changes in the independent variable. 0.95 is the equation slope of the linear regression, which define how much variable is dependent variable on the independent variable. Okay, how much variable is the dependent variable on the independent variable. Okay, that's it. Then there is two exercises are given to you. Calculate the linear regression of the data set given below. Okay, we are having a data set x and y, x equal to 10, y equal to 9, then 3, 3, 5, 4, and 2, 5. Then another one, calculate the regression of the data set given below. Okay, x, y, 6, 8, 2, 2, 3, and 4, 10, and 3. Okay, you have to solve it and you have to find, okay, what you have to find? You have to find the regression equation. Okay, find the linear regression equation. So we can say that find the linear regression equation for the data set. So you have to find and solve it. Okay, that's it for this video lecture. So this is linear regression equation. So you have to find the linear regression equation for the dataset given below. So try the two dataset and you will get an equation like this. Okay, that's it. And thanks for watching this video lecture. Thank you.